Have you ever felt the sting of an embarrassing photo surfacing on Google? The impact can be devastating. Unwanted images on Google can lead to missed career opportunities, damaged relationships, and even harassment. It's crucial to ensure that your online reputation remains untarnished by offensive or unflattering photos. Start by auditing your Google Images search results for any pictures that could harm your reputation. Search for your full name on Google Images and scrutinize the top-ranking photos. Identify any offensive, inappropriate, or unprofessional photos that need to be removed. These might include leaked intimate photos, mugshots, or images revealing personal information. Once identified, it's time to take action to remove these photos from Google. First, try to remove the picture from the source website and ask search engines to update their results. If you publish the picture, delete it yourself from the site where it appears. If you can't delete it yourself, submit unpublishing requests to the website admin or moderator. Reach out to the person who posted the image and request its removal. If you can't contact the person, try using social media or other messaging services. Appeal to the website's content policy, copyright policy, or terms of service for removal. If you hold copyrights to the picture, submit a DMCA takedown notice to the website admins. If all else fails, ask Google and other search engines to remove the picture. Use the Google Outdated Content Removal tool to speed up the process. Submit an image removal request to Google with the correct URL of the deleted image. If the picture is unlawful, you may be able to get it removed using legal remedies. Google may remove images with sensitive financial, medical, or national ID info upon request. Non-consensual explicit or intimate personal images or revenge porn can also be removed. Involuntary fake pornography can be removed if it meets specific criteria. Google will remove pictures of minors from search results at the request of a parent or guardian. If you can't remove the photo, consider burying it on Google Images search results. Create new image-rich content that ranks higher in search results to push down the unwanted photo. Optimize your content and images for search engines to improve their ranking. Utilize social media platforms to increase the visibility of positive or neutral images. Seek professional help if you're struggling to manage your online presence. Regularly monitor your online presence and be cautious of what photos you share. Burying photos requires patience and diligence in creating quality content. With continuous maintenance, you can minimize the impact of an unflattering photo on Google Images. Take control of your online reputation and ensure that your digital footprint reflects the best version of you.